Before supermarkets, clay jars were the bank vaults of winter, 88% genetic similarity. Time is a fermentation parameter. Pickled vegetables were the only hedge against starvation. Salt preserved soldiers. Soldiers preserved empires. Survival technology emerged in parallel, oceans apart. A chef's invention for a conqueror's logistics. The birth of the global supply chain. Canned food built megacities. When tradition meets the assembly line. The first Oscars of pickled vegetables. Kimchi jars, the last fortress against poverty. Urbanization buried the courtyard tradition. The factory did not kill kimchi. It resurrected it. Microbes became national territory. State capital as climate insurance. To define the standard is to own the market. From soil to global specification. Nationality is the ultimate luxury label. Street food becomes a global ambassador. Crisis relics rebranded as hobbies. 4,000 years, same anxiety. Tomorrow. A vegetable wrapped in geopolitics. The container changes. The need remains. Kimchi's global citizenship requires translators. Affordability plus patriotism equals purchase. The jar became a compiler of value. Fermentation is civilization's first programming language. Every jar is a time capsule. Fermentation predates writing. Salt, the first preservative. Empires taxed salt. Salt preserved food. A taste of home at 30 below. Pickles traveled the Silk Road too. Sauerkraut saved sailors from scurvy. From art object to everyday staple. Trial and error. 15 years of it. Iron replaced clay. Durability won. Warfare accelerated food tech. The empire was built on canned beef. Pickles crossed the Atlantic in steerage. Branding preserved pickles. Industrialization came with occupation. Pickles became suburban. The state discovers kimchi. Mothers went to work. Jars went to museums. Clean, fast, consistent. Not mothers. Kimchi's debut on the world stage. 35,000 feet. Still tastes like home. The alphabet soup of standardization. A unanimous vote. A new center of gravity. The birthplace of kimchi imports kimchi. Made in China. Standardized for Korea. The algorithm cannot replicate grandmother's hand. Tradition becomes a global treasure. Kimchi follows its people. Identity preserved in plastic. Both are authentic. Both are Korean. 21st century, kimchi as probiotics. Microbes are now intellectual property. Kimchi left the atmosphere. We wired the planet with cold chains. Climate change redraws the kimchi map. The future farm is a factory. Fermentation is the new truffle. Borders blur in the food truck. Kimchi is no longer Korean alone. Origin matters. But taste is local. The recipe is in the hands. Data cannot capture this. The vessel evolves. The contents endure. What container will hold our anxiety next? Some flavors outlive their containers. 4,000 years of brine. Same salt. Same need. Every culture ferments. Every culture endures. After 4,000 years, still enough. This is not data. This is survival. Every jar holds a world. From field to jar to table. The circle closes. 4,000 years. And it's just the beginning.